Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Sea Wanderer title in Heartopia. It is basically the same as like previous Fashion Wave events, but just go to another person's collector box and just fill like one that is needed. So I'm just going to use flowers for this, submit. And just have to do that 100 times to like different houses and you'll get the Sea Wanderer title. I like the one that they had last event. I think it was I believe the Cinephile title, but you cannot put it if there's like a check mark, so don't even bother. And yeah, that is it. It is a lot of effort, but if you want it, you can go for it. It's not um something that you need to do. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.